How true that you can make money with AI? Do you think you have the edge to be a content creator? Let me help you. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over tips and tricks to make money and utilize AI for passive income. In today's digital landscape, the intersection of creativity and technology has opened up exciting avenues for creators to make money, and artificial intelligence is at the forefront of this revolution. Imagine being able to generate passive income while you focus on your passion projects. With AI, this is not just a dream, it's a reality. From automating content creation to optimizing marketing strategies, AI tools can help creators streamline their workflows and maximize their earnings. As we dive into this topic, you'll discover how AI can assist in generating revenue through various channels such as affiliate marketing, online courses, and even digital products. The potential is vast and the opportunities are ripe for the taking. But why is it crucial for creators to leverage these AI tools? In a world where competition is fierce, utilizing AI can give you a significant edge, allowing you to produce high-quality content more efficiently and effectively. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of making money with AI, stay tuned as we explore the innovative ways you can turn your creativity into a sustainable income stream. Understanding AI tools. As a creator, harnessing the power of AI tools can significantly enhance your work and elevate your creative process. Two popular options that have gained traction are ChatGPT and DALL-E. ChatGPT is an advanced language model that can assist you in generating engaging text, brainstorming ideas, or even drafting scripts. On the other hand, DALL-E specializes in creating stunning visuals from textual descriptions, allowing you to bring your imaginative concepts to life effortlessly. These tools not only streamline your workflows but also boost productivity by automating repetitive tasks. Imagine spending less time on brainstorming and more time on refining your craft. With AI handling the heavy lifting, you can focus on what truly matters, your creativity and vision. However, the key to maximizing the benefits of AI tools lies in experimentation. Each creator has unique needs and styles, so it's essential to explore various options to find the tools that resonate with you. Whether you're a writer, artist, or content creator, diving into the world of AI can unlock new possibilities and help you achieve your creative goals more efficiently. So, don't hesitate to try out different tools and discover what works best for you. Creating AI-driven content. Producing content using AI technologies can be a game changer for creators looking to enhance their output and efficiency. To get started, consider using AI tools to generate blog posts, videos, or artwork. For instance, you can use ChatGPT to brainstorm topics and create outlines for your blog, while platforms like DALL-E can help you design eye-catching visuals that complement your written content. For video creators, AI can assist in script writing and even video editing, making the entire process smoother. However, while AI can provide a solid foundation, it's crucial to maintain originality and a personal touch in your work. Your unique voice and perspective are what sets you apart from others. So don't hesitate to infuse your personality into AI-generated content. This blend of technology and individuality can lead to truly captivating creations. Many successful creators have embraced AI in their workflows. For example, artists like Refik Anadol use AI to create stunning visual installations, while writers like Kevin Roos have explored AI-generated articles that spark conversation. By learning from these pioneers and experimenting with AI tools, you can carve out your own niche in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Monetization strategies. As a creator leveraging AI-generated content, there are numerous ways to turn your passion into profit. One effective strategy is affiliate marketing, where you promote products or services related to your content and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral. This can be seamlessly integrated into blog posts or videos, enhancing your income potential. Another avenue is ad revenue, which can be generated through platforms like YouTube or your own website. By creating engaging AI-driven content that attracts viewers, you can monetize your audience through ads, providing a steady income stream. Additionally, consider selling digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or exclusive artwork. These offerings can be created with the help of AI tools, allowing you to scale your business efficiently. Platforms like Patreon and Ko-fi are also excellent for supporting creators. They enable your audience to contribute directly to your work in exchange for exclusive content or perks. To maximize your earnings, it's essential to diversify your income streams. By combining affiliate marketing, ad revenue, and digital products, you can create a robust financial foundation while continuing to innovate with your AI-enhanced offerings. Building an audience. Growing an audience for your AI-generated content is essential for long-term success, and social media platforms are powerful tools to help you achieve this. Start by promoting your content on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, where visual and engaging posts can capture attention. Use relevant hashtags and participate in trending conversations to increase visibility and attract new followers. Engagement is key to building loyalty among your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create polls or Quanda sessions to foster a sense of community. When your audience feels valued and connected, they are more likely to share your content and support your work. Collaboration with other creators can also significantly expand your reach. Partnering with individuals who share similar interests or audiences can introduce your content to new viewers. Consider co-hosting live sessions, guest blogging, or creating joint projects that showcase both of your talents. By implementing these strategies, promoting your content effectively, engaging with your audience, and collaborating with others, you can cultivate a dedicated following that appreciates your unique AI-driven creations and supports your creative journey. Ethical considerations. As creators increasingly incorporate AI into their work, it's crucial to address the ethical implications that arise. One significant concern is copyright issues. When using AI-generated content, it's essential to understand the ownership rights associated with the material produced. Always give credit where it's due, whether you're using AI tools for inspiration or directly incorporating their outputs into your projects. This not only respects the creators behind the technology, but also fosters a culture of integrity within the creative community. Transparency about your use of AI in content creation is equally important. Audiences appreciate honesty, and being upfront about how you utilize AI can build trust and credibility. Sharing your creative process, including the role AI plays, can enhance your connection with your audience. Moreover, responsible AI practices are vital to maintaining integrity in your work. This includes being mindful of the potential biases in AI algorithms and ensuring that your content does not perpetuate harmful stereotypes or misinformation. By prioritizing ethical considerations, you can create meaningful, impactful content that resonates with your audience while upholding the values of creativity and respect in the digital age. In conclusion, we've explored the exciting potential of AI for generating passive income for creators. From automating content creation to optimizing marketing strategies, AI tools can significantly enhance your workflow and open up new revenue streams. We discussed various AI technologies such as ChatGPT and DALL-E that can help you produce engaging blog posts, videos, and artwork, all while maintaining your unique voice and originality. We also highlighted effective monetization strategies, including affiliate marketing, ad revenue, and selling digital products, as well as the importance of building an audience through social media engagement and collaborations. Ethical considerations such as copyright issues and the need for transparency were emphasized to ensure that your creative work remains respectful and responsible. Now it's time for you to explore the AI tools and strategies we've shared. Embrace the opportunities that AI offers and see how it can transform your creative journey. If you found this video insightful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Together, let's unlock the full potential of AI in the creative world. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care